on camera. I want you to yell at me on camera. So get this playback. Alright, listen. I'm so frustrated. Are you hungry? I will treat us to dinner if you want real food. If you're not hungry, I will go to Walmart.
Sierra.
What?
You need to tell me in order.
Does it matter what order?
Sierra,
Food
I need
first.
to know this.
Food first. Or else
I
I'm
need
gonna
to
cry.
know this.
I've got such a headache.
I need
food.
you to calm down. And I need you to tell me calmly in order.
It'll start off really calm and then it'll get more and more aggressive.
More and more every day.
We need to eat, whether it be we pick something up at Walmart, like ice cream, like you said an hour and a half ago, or we get
Ice cream!
That's what you want? Ice cream? I'm hungry though. We need to go get something to eat.
Okay, tell me in order.
Zupas, Walmart, ice cream, home.
No.
Show. What do you mean no?
We don't get to come back if we leave.
Really?
Yeah.
Nobody told me that was part of the order.
We don't get to come back ever.
I didn't work that into my...
Now make a fart noise, like a good little boy. Perfect.